Okay guys, 2-pill 2879C. This one is not sold, but I did have somebody inquire about one of these earlier, and he actually wanted to know about running it with an Anytone Quad 6. So this Quad 6 is doing around top end, around 30 watts average, depending on where you've got the dead key set at. We've got the dead key at about 11 o'clock on it right now, so it's probably not even doing that much, but it will still swing around 115 watts PEP. Now, because it's not doing a ton of average power, it's not going to be nearly as hard on this 2-pill 2879C. And in my opinion, it makes a really good combo for it. So you've got all these radios out here now, and no two models of radios are driving an amplifier the same, unless they have the same board in them, etc., and they're just labeled under a different brand. So all these radios are doing all kinds of different average power, different peak power. It depends on who tuned them. But at the end of the day, what I try to tell people is average power is what generates more heat, makes your amps draw more current, and is more likely to overdrive your amp if you're not careful. That's not to say that PEP is not important, but to me that's why everybody needs a bird meter, or a meter that reads average power correctly, as there's a lot of meters that do not. So that being said, keep that in mind with this video, and we'll see what you guys think. If you guys think it makes a good combo, I think it's a nice running little combination here. So that being said, let's get into it. First things first, we're at 14.9, which is not the maximum voltage for this 2-pill C box, but for video testing purposes it will do. Now remember, this amp is biased for sideband, so it will do a little bit less than a straight Class C amp. We'll see what it draws here. About 26 amps on the clamp meter there, and we'll come over here to the watt meter, show you what it does. 1000 watt slug. We're keying a little bit less than 100 watts. 2-pill 2879C, they can take that kind of dead key. Ooh, at what, 150, 160 watts average. So, does this radio drive it to as much average power as my Connex? No. But it does drive it to more average power than like a Uniden or a Cobra 29, something like that. Saying about 150, 160 watts average. That translates to what, 26, 27 amps over here on the clamp meter. Out of curiosity, let's see what it does PEP. Now we are in AM mode. We'll test it in sideband here in a second. So now we're in PEP, and we'll see how it does PEP. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. Bottom scale. So showing around 500 watts PEP. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. There you go. Not too shabby. Now just for kicks, we're going to go to sideband. And let's switch our mode of operation. Upper sideband. And let's start out and see how much current it draws. Check, check. Audio, check, check. It's going to draw over double the current on sideband. Check this out. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, 1, 2, 3, audio. This thing is absolutely drawing some power on sideband. That is two 2879C transistors. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. Intermittently over 50 amps. So that's really getting with it. You know, we tested the 4-pill a few minutes ago, and it was drawing, what, 100 amps. So that makes sense. And that was a 4-pill standard. Show you what it does PEP on sideband. Check, check, audio, 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 check, check, audio. 50 amps. 50 amps. 500 watts. I need to get woke up, go drink me another cup of coffee. 500 watts PEP on sideband or on AM. That's it, guys. 2-pill 2879C. Let me know what you guys think about it. A little bit different tune on the Anytone than what you guys are used to seeing. This one's a little bit more moderate, especially in regards to the average power. What does that mean though? Means it'll be a lot easier on your equipment. So that's it, guys. Rooster in Tennessee. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. See you, bye.